up? So today's video is going to be a DIY on this cute ripped up distressed sweater. So if you want to find out how to make it, just keep on watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up if you like this video. Okay guys, so the sweater I'm going to be cropping today is this York University sweater. I just thought it was going to look real cute as a crop sweater, and I really love how it says mom. Really freaking random, you know what I mean? So let's turn it into something real cute. Oh, and by the way, good inspiration, where to get inspiration from. There's tons and tons and tons of inspiration on Pinterest, guys. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to do to make a cute little crop DIY sweater is put it on and get into front of the mirror and put your arms up, shimmy a little, you know, do your do's to make sure you know where it's going to sit when you're wearing it, because your shirt's not going to stay like this, obviously, when you're wearing it, moving around. So just put your arms up, do a little shimmy, you know, and then measure it from where you want to cut. You want to maybe want a little crop when you put your arms up. It's right there where a sports bra underneath. Just do it up first. So I'll show you where I measure mine. I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, as you can see, I cropped half the sweater so far. A tip or a trick is fold your fabric over when you get to the middle so you can cut across here so it's even on both sides. Okay guys, you can see that I finished cropping the sweater. It's actually perfect length. When I put my arms up, nothing shows. So this is the time where you guys can get crazy, creative. This is where Pinterest really comes in handy. You can do little cuts, little slits, do whatever the hell you want to make this sweater yours. Okay guys, so one of the designs that I decided I want on my sweater is just a little slit from like basically here to like right here, and I'm gonna pull it, make it look a little distressed. If I can find a picture of it, I'll insert it into the corner. If not, then you guys will just see what it looks like after I cut it. Okay guys, as you can see, I cut from roughly past the middle to all the way to the seam, and I cut this one not so big, like it's still 2 inches away from the thing and 2 inches away from there. I didn't want this one to drop as low because this one, guys, drops low. If you don't want your first one to drop as low, do not come like close to the seam. Stop like around here and it won't drop as low, but I wanted to drop really low. So guys, the next thing I want to do is put slits like all down my sleeve. So I've already started on one. I just cut this, like I laid the shirt flat and I just cut it around my elbow area, like not really like down my forearm a little bit. And I'm just going to continue cutting those slits. I'm not sure how many yet, but I'll be right back. Okay guys, as you can tell, I ended up doing a lot of slits. I think like about 6 or 7, but I really like it. Okay guys, that's the end of this video, so I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget again to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below what you want to see next. Bye!